Mr. Youngest.
Yes.
Who's next? So we did group 2, we have group 1, group 3, and group 4 left. Group 3. Group 3?
Yes.
Yes! Let's go!
No. Not good. I count three. Okay? 1, 2, 3, scream!
Good job. Alright, I think because we went with group 3, I think we're gonna go with group 1 next. But wait, hang on. Just a minute. Hang on. Give me a moment. Alright, we all know right now that they are exactly opposite to them. So, I'm gonna ask these people. Right, group 1, how did group 3 do? Were they okay?
Damn!
Right, well, I mean, group 3, do you think group 1 can do better? Alrighty, let's see if group 1 has what it has. Group 1, hands up. Are you guys ready? Group 1, make some noise!
Wow!
So loud.
Sorry, get good